Vocabulary Building Lesson 3. Adamant, adamant, adamant. Firmly refusing to change one's opinion or decision. Example sentences: he was adamant that he wouldn't apologize. Despite everyone's advice, she remained adamant in her choice. The teacher was adamant about starting the class on time. Subsided, subsided, subsided. Became less intense, violent, or severe. Example sentences: after the medication, the patient's pain gradually subsided. The floodwaters finally subsided after 3 days of rain. Her fear subsided once she saw her family was safe. Ascribed, ascribed, ascribed. Assigned or credited something to a cause, person, or source. Example sentences: his kindness was ascribed to his strong upbringing. Many traditional beliefs are ascribed to ancient cultures. That's all for today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and let these words become part of your daily English. See you in the next video. Bye.